Able guys, imagine 2 kids later, then someone says that they realize that you are not wife material. Able guys. On the latest episode of Uzingane Zestembu, Pumelelo basically after having his chit chat, his meeting with Uvuyogazi. By the way, guys, what gift did you guys get to see? Like, what gift did Umpumelelo get Uvuyogazi that he put on the table? Because I didn't really get to see it. And guys, anyway, I see collab. So anyway, after things did not go well with his meeting with Uvuyogazi, he eventually, when he goes home, decides to call his dad and tells his dad Umusamsilego about how the meeting basically went down. And then while they're having their conversation, Musa asks Umpumelelo, do you believe that Vuyogazi would make a good wife? Do you think she'd make a good wife? And Pumelela's response is basically, no, I don't. And I'm just like, but sir, I don't get it. That's the thing that like irritates me about it, that Mpumelelo puts out the vibes that even him saying that he's still willing to take Uvuyogazi as wife number 2, it's like he's just doing it for the sake of not like throwing her out in a sense. And obviously he wouldn't be throwing her out because it's not like Uvuyogazi doesn't have family. But the way he puts it out is that he's doing it like he's willing to take Uvuyogazi as wife number 2 as an obligation, but not as a choice. And my question would be, if you take the kids out of it, because I know he keeps mentioning the kids, the kids, the kids. If you take the kids out of it, would you still make her a wife? Because I feel like in as much as it makes sense to Umusa and Umpumelelo of taking woman as your wife because they have children with you and it's not right which other man must then father those kids. Like, I'm just like, but kids eventually grow up, you guys. Are you going to suffer, or should a person suffer in marriage or in a marriage where they're not loved for the sake of kids? I mean, people get into relationships and get married again, whereas they have kids and the fathers are still very much around and present in their children's lives. So this thing of taking a woman and making her your wife just because you have a kid or just because you have kids with her is just robbing people's children, in all honesty. I used to see and I used to think, yeah, it makes sense, but in the long run, guys, these kids, they're young. So why should Uvuyogazi like bind herself into a marriage just because she has kids with this guy? And I'm just like, Umpubelelo, first of all, why did he lie to his dad? And say to his dad that because Umusa asked him, did you give Uvuyagazi the reasons of why you cannot make her the wife number 1? And he said, yes, he did, but she's not taking it. And I'm like, sir, I don't recall you telling Uvuyagazi, at least according to the conversation that you had. I don't recall you telling Uvuyagazi why you can't make her wife number 1. I don't, because what I heard in that conversation is he was basically saying that when Vilgas was asking like what's your decision, he was like, I'm being like I'm asking not to change my mind. I don't recall what is his actual reasons of taking a wife who's a virgin. Did he not say Uwuti Umatselo, Unosipho Matsela is a chosen wife by the ancestors? I don't recall him telling Uvuyogazi that. Because he knows very well Uvuyogazi would ridicule like that whole thing. Uvuyogazi even goes to the only thing that seems to be a reason in Uvuyogazi's mind that Uvuyogazi keeps circling around is the issue of the virgin thing. And Vuyogazi even says he's making an excuse with the virgin thing because when I entered the scene, there was a girl before me, Unompumelelo, and she was a virgin, but he didn't marry her. And he did not tell me, even by then, when he was dating the virgin girl, that his plans is to marry or is to take a first woman, a first wife who's a virgin. So you can hear guys that's high, man. Now I believe Vuyogas, and Vuyogas is like everything changed when he came to Joburg. I believe it. Because like when did you decide that you want a wife who's a virgin? Like, when did you decide that, and why did you not communicate that to Uvuyugazi so Uvuyugazi would know? Because Uvuyugazi says that when the girl before her exited, and Uvuyugazi says uhlulekile, which I'm like, you're wrong, girl, for saying that. You can't say another woman failed just because she exited a relationship with Umpumelelo. So because you exited your relationship with Umpumelelo, is it okay for us to say you failed? I don't think so. So it's not that that other lady failed, but when that other lady exited the chat, Pumelelo started making promises to Uvuyogazi, giving her false hope that she basically is going to be umam cool. Kanti next. So my question is like, what makes him believe, like what makes a good wife? Because at this point, it seems like Umpumelelo is basically saying one of the reasons you can't take Uvuyogazi as a wife is because Uvuyogazi is controlling. And I'm just like, sir, have you ever interviewed married men? There's one common thing that married men say about their wives, or say about wives, or say about women once you marry them, is that they're controlling. And I guess maybe that's the way they see it. Maybe I guess Uvuyoga Zige was, speaking in ways and saying certain things that was getting too much for Umpumelelo. But that's the reality of how marriage is gonna be. No wife. When she's still a girlfriend, there's certain things she'll let you just do. But the moment you become a wife, you guys, like the type of building you guys are doing, it's not the same as being a girlfriend. So she's not just gonna allow you to do whatever you want to in the name of wena waka isthembu sakho. No, she's part of that whole thing. Vuyukazi has a say in she had a say, or I feel like she had a say in the way he did Istembu. And he was even saying that Uvuyokazi wanted to control Istembu Sai, can control everything, but by even saying that he shouldn't take women who are different from him. And I'm like, how is that wrong? Like, I don't see, like Umpumelelo, guys, I think when he came to Joburg, he saw the life, even that tape that he apparently had. Yeah, maybe Joburg Life, just, I don't know what Joburg Life did to Umpumelelo, but it looks like it just, yeah, it amplified whatever was there. But I want to know, and I wish you could really give us clear answers, like give us an answer and support your answer, Mpumelelo, because I am not getting what makes Uvuyogazi not a good wife. For the fact that she keeps you accountable, what is it? I feel like he keeps saying that there's more to it. Puma Yetaba, or maybe he's respecting his wife, he's respecting the fact that she's the baby mama. But I'm just like, if there's more to it, like, maybe he's protecting her and there's more to it, you guys, that we just don't know. Hangaz, you guys. Anyway, guys, tell me, what did you think about Mpumelelo saying Uvuyogazi? He doesn't think Uvuyogazi is a wife material. 2 kids later. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.